Hi friends, welcome to Mr. Brandon Network. Today we're going to fly high and learn about different kinds of planes. Are you ready? Let's take off. This is a passenger jet. These planes carry people to different cities and countries. They are big and can blast very fast. Here's a cargo plane. These planes carry packages and goods all over the world. They're super strong and can carry heavy loads. This is a fighter jet. Fighter jets are very fast and used by the military to protect the skies. Here's a helicopter. Helicopters can take off and land straight up and down. They're great for rescue missions and explore places where planes can't go. This is a private jet. These small planes are used by people who want to fly comfortably and quickly on their own schedule. Wow, a glider. Say hello to a glider. Gliders don't usually have engines and fly using air currents. They're super quiet and peaceful. This is a biplane. Biplanes have two sets of wings, one above each other. They were popular a long time ago and still used for air shows today. Here's a seaplane. Seaplanes can land on water, making them perfect for exploring lakes and rivers. This is a drone. Drones are small flying machines that can be controlled by remote. They're used for taking pictures and videos from the sky. Say hello to a stealth bomber. This plane is designed to fly without being seen on radar and looks like a flying wing. Here's a propeller plane. It has a suspending propeller at the front of it to help it fly. These planes are great for short trips. Wow, this is a space shuttle. Space shuttles are used for special planes that can fly to space and back to carry astronauts and supplies to space stations. This is a firefighting plane. These planes carry water or foam to help put out big fires. They're like flying firefighters. Say hello to an airship, also called a blimp. These flying machines use helium to float. They're used for advertising and giving a bird's eye view of events. This is a jumbo jet. Jumbo jets are huge planes that carry hundreds of passengers across the world. Here's a Concorde. This is one of the fastest passenger planes, flying faster than the speed of sound. This is an air ambulance. It helps transport sick or injured people quickly to the hospital. It's like a flying doctor. Here's a crop duster. These small planes help farmers by spraying crops with water or special treatments. This is a military transport plane. These planes are used to carry soldiers, vehicles, and supplies to different places. Wow, we've learned about so many amazing planes today. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Mr. Brandon Network for more adventures. See you next time.